Welcome back to Star Chat, folks. I'm your host, Carl, and we're diving into the fascinating world of astrophysics for our middle segment today. Get ready to have your minds blown by a theoretical concept that could potentially rewrite the history of our universe. Imagine a scenario where the fundamental building blocks of our cosmos are revealed in a single, explosive event. Sounds like science fiction, right? But what if I told you that scientists believe they may be on the cusp of detecting such an event, one that could provide us with a definitive record of every particle that makes up everything in the universe? Enter primordial black holes, hypothetical entities thought to have formed in the earliest moments of our universe's history. These enigmatic objects are predicted to emit Hawking radiation, a phenomenon first proposed by the legendary Stephen Hawking. However, current theories suggest that such explosions occur so infrequently, perhaps once every 100,000 years, that detecting them seems like a needle in a haystack problem. But what if we're looking at this problem from the wrong angle? A team of researchers, led by Joachim Iguazuan and Baker, has proposed an intriguing alternative. They suggest that primordial black holes might not be electrically neutral, as previously assumed, but instead possess a small, dark charge, powered by hypothetical dark electrons. This idea, part of what they call the dark QED toy model, could revolutionize our understanding of these ancient objects. According to their theory, a slightly charged primordial black hole would explode relatively early in the universe's history. The extra charge would suppress Hawking radiation, extending the lifespan of these primordial black holes and making them potentially detectable today. If we do detect Hawking radiation, it could be a game changer, providing us with an unparalleled glimpse into the fundamental nature of our universe. The implications are staggering. We might gain insight into the earliest moments of cosmic history, uncovering secrets about the formation of matter itself. It's a prospect that has scientists like Joachim Iguazuan excited, saying that such a discovery would completely revolutionize physics and help us rewrite the history of the universe. While this idea is still highly theoretical and requires further scrutiny, it's an awe-inspiring reminder of the mysteries waiting to be unraveled in the cosmos. As we continue to push the boundaries of human knowledge, we may uncover even more surprises that challenge our understanding of the universe. Stay tuned for our final story of the day, right here on Star Chat. Welcome back to Star Chat. We've had an amazing conversation so far, exploring the wonders of the universe and all its secrets. As we wrap up today's episode, I want to share with you a story that's been making waves in the space community. It seems that NASA's Artemis program is facing some challenges, and experts are warning that if it falters, the U.S. risks losing the moon to China. Yes, you heard that right. China is making significant strides in its space program, and the moon is one of its top priorities. In fact, China has already made several successful lunar missions, including landing a rover on the far side of the moon. But that's not all. NASA is also facing budget cuts, which could impact some of its most important space projects. The House bill is trying to rescue some of these projects, including the New Horizons mission, which has been exploring the outer reaches of our solar system since 2006. This spacecraft has sent back incredible images and data from Pluto and beyond, and it's a shame that its funding is being threatened. Meanwhile, Canada is getting ready to send its first lunar rover to the moon as part of an international effort to establish a sustainable human presence there. And China is taking the hunt for elusive ghost particles to the next level with its gigantic Juno detector. It's clear that space exploration is becoming increasingly competitive, and countries are vying for dominance in the final frontier. But despite these challenges, it's an exciting time for space enthusiasts, with new discoveries being made every day. That's all for today's Star Chat. Remember to like, share, and subscribe, and until next time, remember to keep looking up at the stars.